Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for an Etsy haul unboxing. So I've been shopping for a while and looking on Etsy for an ephemera kit, a paper kit, and I finally found a little shop that's called Wincy Barn Vintage. So this is my first purchase in her store. So she also offers some mystery boxes, so I think I'm going to try that, and it looks like she carries some miniatures as well. So let's have a look and see what this kit comes with. And she had it wrapped in this nice teal blue bag, which was awesome. So I was so excited, I just went ahead and took these items out. And she wrapped it really well. Let's start off with our larger items. So one of the things that kind of drew me to her kits was she had them in different colors. So I initially wanted the pink one, but it sold out so quickly. I also love the fact that she had some beautiful children's book pages, some maps, and vintage ledgers. So let's see what this one has. So here we have a Century 21 little note pad. There's two sheets. Look at these cute little bunnies. So we have like a little kit book page. This was what she had in her picture, and I thought it was just a cute, dreamy little scene of this little girl. And look at this cow in the back. How cute is this? I wish I knew if, I think it might have been from a golden book. We have the Jack and Jill page. And then we have this beautiful little music sheet. I love this. The Meadowlands. So that would look great in a beautiful spring themed junk journal. Look at this. So pretty. I love it. I really like the pages she picked. This is too cute. Little chipmunk. And we have a little shopping list. How pretty is this scene? Might have been from maybe a calendar, maybe a book. We have another music sheet. Super cute. I love that. And then we have a, looks like little grid paper. And our map. So there's a little vintage map. And here's the back side. Now let's take a look at the smaller pieces that she included. The other item that caught my eye was she had some of these postage stamps that have birds, and I love birds. So let's look and see what they look like in person. We have our first piece here. Cool. We have a vintage membership card from the 70s, National Sheet Music Society. That's pretty neat. It has an official seal. Love this. There's a little recipe for cream puffs. I might try it. That's really cool. That's true vintage. I love that. Also like that she has some scraps. Like here is a broken ruler, but definitely I love to make junk journals, so I think that will go well. We also have these drink umbrellas that she included. Little Rolodex card. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh wow, it's a cute little postcard, and I love the vintage stamps. Trying to see what year. It just says December 26, and looks like this was from Jerusalem. It was sent from Jerusalem, but I'll have to look at that closer and see what year that was. Then we have a card from South Carolina. Really pretty vintage card. That's pretty cool. Bingo card. That's so cool. Have another one. Little cardboard piece. This is beautiful. This is somewhere in Zurich. Oh wow, another postcard. I love that. I didn't see this in her listing pictures, but this is an awesome bonus. 1953. Love the handwriting. That is beautiful. We have another postcard, and this is from Grand Canyon. Look at that. Little thin sheet. We have a magazine cutout. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. It's a fig tree. And we have the Barren Falls. Wow. And here it is. So this was one of the pictures. I love the California poppy. I'm in California. I love hummingbirds, and we have the owl and the martin. So how pretty are these stamps? Love that. We have some pages here as well. Excuse the background noise, they're still doing the construction on the road, but this is cool. Reader's Digest. Oh, I love reading this. My dad had a collection of Reader's Digest books, and we used to read that often. And we have these vintage ads. How fun, 1975. That's super cool. Here's another one. Super cool. Now our next little baggie has more ephemera inside. Let's see what's in here. Another big stamp. Oh wow, we have this little film, and it says it is the Madonna. That is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. So there it is. That's really cool. We have a little leaf cutout, die cut. Look at this, beautiful. Another stamp. That's really beautiful. That's going in my bird journal. Another little die cut. A vintage card. How awesome is that? We have a fox. No one wears brighter socks and snappier ties than Freddie the Fox. That's an awesome card. We have one of these. The grasshopper. Cute little, I think these are slapjack cards. Oh my gosh. My siblings and I loved to play that when we were kids. Oh, look at this vintage little label here. That's so nice. We have these deer cards. Looks like we have some Monopoly paper. Milton Bradley, it says. We have another card, playing card here. And parcel post. Little notepad, and another beautiful, I love this. I love that. I would love a library with a cute little ladder that you can go through from the library up. So cool. She also had these in her kits. This is all part of the whole ephemera kit that she offered. And I love just the variety, and I love the way she curated them. So let's see what's included here. Oh, there goes the bead. Here's a holographic little card. How cute. We have a couple of these wooden beads. Little cap here. We have this round wooden little plain piece. You can definitely decoupage, and then she has these cork cutout circles. That's pretty cool. Some vintage buttons. We have a vintage key. That's super cool. A few more buttons. We have some green ones. So this one had more like a green yellow palette. Another little wooden piece there. And this one also came with these cute little gold charms. I love it. Butterfly. We have a couple of these dragonflies here. How adorable. I hope you guys can see these. So those are the little ones. And there is one more bag, and this time it has some trim and some embroidery floss. So we have this brown trim. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that in the light. There's a little design, floral design on it. That's so pretty. She also just had some of this trim and some twine in green color. Oh, cool. We have some vintage buttons again, and I love that color. That's really pretty. She has an embroidery floss, and it's a complete one. I love that. And I love the shades of green on that one. Let's put that here. And look at this. Some vintage lace trim. Really pretty. Super happy with this kit. I love it. I'm definitely buying another one if she ever lists another one. I'll have to see what else she offers. And I'm definitely going to try out and see what her mystery boxes are. I'm really intrigued. You guys know that I love miniature items, so we'll have to see. It says looking for vintage miniatures, coming soon. So check out her store. I'll put her link down in the description box. That's Whimsy Barn Vintage. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Etsy haul unboxing. Thanks again for watching Caronia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.